The promise from the last video. Your character, a full scene, real cinematography. Wan 2.2 can finally do it on your own GPU. It is Apache 2.0 licensed, it is open weights, and it runs on 8 GB of VRAM. Sora is gone. The studio is on your desk. Let's build your first AI film.
Before we start, 2 honest truths. Truth 1. Your web UI cannot run Wan 2.2. It is a different architecture. A 14 billion parameter mixture of experts video model. Truth 2. Your character LoRA does not transfer. LoRAs are model specific. Your character photo becomes the first frame instead. That is the new identity anchor.
Which engine should you pick? Today we build with ComfyUI and GGUF quantized models. It is the only path with verified results on both 6 and 8 GB cards. The official docs endorse it, and the community has the most fixes.
3 alternatives exist. Forge Neo keeps your web UI feel. Wan 2.GP is the simplest install, and FP8 needs the fewest files. Step 1. Install ComfyUI. Open the GitHub releases page and download the portable NVIDIA build. One file, about 2 GB. It bundles Python and PyTorch, so there is no setup wizard. Extract it anywhere you like. Inside, you will find the ComfyUI folder, and inside that, the models folder. Every model we download next lands in here. And remember this file? Run NVIDIA GPU.bat. Double-click it to launch.
Step 2. First launch. Double-click Run NVIDIA GPU.bat. The terminal sets up Python and PyTorch, and then prints the address. To see the GUI, go to localhost port 8188. Your browser opens automatically.
Your old web UI was forms and tabs. ComfyUI is boxes and wires. Every box is a step, every wire is data. You will not build this graph. You will load it ready-made.
Step 3. Add GGUF support. Click the Manager button, then install custom nodes. Search for GUF. The result is ComfyUI-GGUF by City96. Click Install and restart.
2 new nodes appear: Unet Loader GGUF and CLIP Loader GGUF. These read the quantized model files, and that is the entire low VRAM trick.
Step 4. Download the models. 4 files from Hugging Face, about 23 GB total. First, the 2 diffusion experts. High noise and low noise, both at quant 4km, 9.65 GB each. Always pick the same quant for both.
Then the text encoder UMT5X XL at 3.66 GB. And the VAE Wan 2.1 at 254 MB. Place them in the Unet, text encoders, and VAE folders. On 6 GB, use the Q3KS pair instead.
Step 5. Load the workflow. Open the workflow menu, then browse templates, then video. Choose Wan 2.2 14B, image to video. The whole graph appears wired for you.
Prefer drag and drop. Download the workflow JSON and drop it on the canvas. Same graph, same result.
Step 6. Your character on set. In the Load Image node, drop in the hero photo from the consistency video. That picture is the identity now. No LoRA needed.
Then write the camera moves in the prompt. A young woman with short red hair and a leather jacket in a rain-soaked alley at night. She turns her head slowly toward the camera. Static medium shot, shallow depth of field, cinematic color grading. Keep the negative prompt minimal.
Step 7. The settings that make a film. Empty latent video. 832 by 480, 41 frames to start, up to 81. That is about 5 seconds at 16 frames per second.
Car sampler. 20 steps, CFG 3.5 Euler, with simple schedule, shift 5 to 8. With the LiteX2 V LoRA, drop to 4 steps and CFG 1. Frames must be a multiple of 4 plus 1, 9, 41, 81.
Step 8. Roll camera. Press Q prompt. The high noise expert plans the shot, and the low noise expert paints the details. On an 8 GB card, a short 4-step clip takes about 111 seconds.
That is 4.6 gigabytes of VRAM, with 11 gigabytes offloaded to system RAM. Launch with the low VRAM flag, and then take 1. Your character in a film. Which preset fits your card? 8 gigabytes. Q4KM up to 81 frames. 480p works consistently with offloaded. 6 gigabytes. Q3KS or Q2K, 33 to 41 frames, short clips only.
Honest expectations. Minutes per clip on 8 gigabytes, slower on 6. 720p really needs 12 gigabytes or more. Slow is normal. That is the price of doing it on your own GPU.
When it breaks, these 4 fixes cover 90% of cases. Out of memory. Drop to 480p, cut frames, use a lower quant, and add the low VRAM flag.
GGUF load error. Both experts must be the same quant, and update ComfyUI-GGUF Invalid T5 encoder. Put the exact UMT5XXL file in the text encoders folder. Corrupt download. Re-download and verify the file size.
That is your AI film recipe. Install ComfyUI with GGUF models, drop in your character photo, write the camera moves, and render the shot. 111 seconds on 8 gigabytes. Fictional characters only, as always.
Next time, we train your character into Wan with a LoRA. Honest warning, it needs 24 gigabytes of VRAM when your GPU is bigger. Like and subscribe. See you there.